All right, so it's like 9:15 in the morning. Headed to the property. Plan today is to actually finish the stairs, get the treads on the stairs, and then put the tent on the roof. I got my dad is coming to help, and my son Liam is coming also. So hopefully we'll be able to get those things done today. We'll see. Okay, so about to see what we got done today. Wasn't as much as I wanted to, which I guess never is. But we got some stuff done. My dad came out here, and my son Liam, he's back there in the truck eating some snacks. He came out too. We cut 2 stringers from the other stringers we had. We used as a template out of 2x12s. So we cut the middle stringer right there and the middle stringer up there, and we put these in. It's floating on the ground, it's on feet. And then we put up some balusters, handrails. We got all that done. It still needs to be finished, but so this side here, this will have a door right here, because there will be a zip line from that tree out to that tree right there. Well, there's the 2 low trees are in front are going to get cut down, and the big tree in the back is going to have the zip line on it. So it's going to go straight from there all the way across to that tree. So there'll be a door right here. We'll have to put another support here-ish and a handrail. We'll have to put handrails up to the top, but we put that second or the third stringer in the middle there, and then installed the stair treads. I had to cut all those out of 2x10s. Yeah, that is about it. I had some visitors up here today, showing the property too. Yeah, we can actually walk up the stairs. Let's see, let me turn this around. So when you come in, you'll walk up the stairs here. There will be a door here that opens up and goes to that tree right there. But you turn around here, the zip line will go from that tree there. But we got these stair treads in, and now you can walk up to the deck. You don't have to climb up here on the ladder. So you walk up, and the tent will be, the entrance to the tent will be right here. Let me zoom out. Entrance to the tent will be here, something like that. Top of the tent will be about up there. And so you'll come up here on the deck and you'll walk into the tent. Center is about right here ish. Be a queen size bed. We'll have an end table there, like a love seat, sofa couch or something right there. This side will have like a breakfast table with a couple tables on chairs on the sides of the table. Have like a hutch or a cabinet or dresser drawers or something right there. On this side of the bed, where the center post is, on this side of the center post will be like a console table or a couch table. And then you walk out of the tent onto the deck right here, which will eventually have a roof on it. And here on this, I think I want to make this a 2x12 instead of a 2x8. So it's more of a table, so it'll come out more to like right here. We'll put a couple bar stools right there so you can sit here and get the view of the reservoir, drink your coffee in the morning, glass of wine at night, whatever. And then probably put an outdoor lounge sofa right here, maybe an L-shaped one, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. And then there'll be a battery powered ceiling fan from the ceiling, being powered from the solar generators that we have. We're gonna have a wind generator up here somewhere. There's always a breeze coming up this way. And then we'll build a little platform down around here. There'll be a gutter on this side, which will catch rainwater. It'll get filtered out of the downspout into like a 55-gallon drum. It's going to be somewhere like right here. That'll gravity feed down that way, and we'll have a shower house over there with an on-demand propane water heater. So you can have hot showers while you're out here. And enjoy the nice view with the sunset. I'm glad we got these stairs done because I don't have to climb up and down that ladder anymore. This door right here, it's got a screen on it and glass. We'll put that on there. We're gonna put an electric digital keypad just for a little bit of added protection to help keep people out that aren't supposed to be here. So you know you can sleep at night and not have to worry about somebody creeping up on you know. If they wanted to climb up here, they probably could, but should be fairly safe. That's all that we got done today. So thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll get more done next time. I know we will. It's never as much as I want to get done, but we'll get some stuff done. There's a reservoir. It's always beautiful up here. I say that every time, but every time I come up here, I'm like, wow, that's pretty. That's one of the reasons we chose this property. So thanks. Bye.